2007 Kia Sorento. It has only 104K miles. It's very, very, very clean. It runs great. It has no issues. Just want to, it's kind of a little bit wedged in here, but I'm going to try to get around it. Show you the inside. Told you it's spotless. No bangs, no bumps, no dings. Like I said, has only 104K miles on it, runs great. Jack's Auto Sales, come check it out. All our cars come with a 3-month, 3,000-mile national warranty. Not that you'll need it on this one at all, but it's all good. Come see us.